energy. We got energy. Well, hello. Fancy meeting you here. I'm Lucy Beebe Tobias, author of 50 Great Walks in Florida. This is a fun book to read, but it's a lot more fun to do. The picture of the water at the top, that is Rainbow Springs State Park. One of the walks is there. That's one of the most beautiful places you will see in the state of Florida, especially in February when the azaleas are in bloom. Down below is Fernandina Beach. It's a wonderful old town with a walk down Center Street that you can take with a guide, and I've got a chapter on that. And over here is a church in North Miami Beach called the Old Spanish Monastery, and I found it one day when I got lost, and I'll tell you about how I got lost and how I found the Old Spanish Monastery. Yes, I am. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, Annie. I want you to... It's okay. I've got Obie with me here, and I've got Annie nearby. And Obie and Annie like to go for walks. And in my book, 50 Great Walks, every chapter has something called Trip Essentials. And Trip Essentials will tell you the essentials. Is there water? Is there bathrooms? Is it a good walk for kids? Would you be able to take your dogs? And here's the good news, the really good news. Obie's been waiting to hear this news. 2/3 of the walk in the book. If you have well-behaved, leashed dogs, they are welcome at least part of the walk or all of the walk. So Obie's ready to go, and Annie will come by pretty soon and she'll be ready to go too. Grab your leash and go. I did 80 walks and 50 made the cut, and I'm ready to go on any of these walks anytime. Let's go find authentic Florida.